Treat yourself to this delicious layered breakfast casserole. Come with me and I'll show you how to make it. So we're going to start with, I've greased my 13 by 9 pan with some spray, and this time I've used the crescent dough sheet. It's a long sheet, but I used to use the croissants that you can separate individually, and I would put it in my pan and then pinch the seam. It both works great, but one day I picked this up by accident and I said, oh, this is going to be easy. And so I started using this one. But either one of them will be fine. I've browned a pound of sausage, pork sausage, and right here, and I've drained it. Got all the grease out of it. That'll be your second layer. Gonna open this up. Usually it pops on you. We're gonna put this on the bottom, and this is the first layer. Just remember if you're using their croissants, make sure you pinch the seam so they won't separate, and just press it up the side a little bit. And then we're going to take the pound of sausage that's been browned, spread that out. I don't know how many times I've made this casserole. It is just so delicious. Then we're going to take 2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, and we're going to layer that. I like to do casseroles and different things for breakfast, especially on a holiday. So, we would have something to eat and something fast. I'm going to take 5 eggs. Make sure there's no shells in there. We're going to put probably a teaspoon of salt, probably a teaspoon of pepper, 3/4 cup of milk, just regular milk. We're going to pour it over the top, real slow. And we're going to put 1 cup of cheddar cheese. I've got the cheese on. I got the oven preheated at 425. We're going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes until the eggs are set. Each oven's different. And then we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes. So let's go and put it in the oven. We've taken the casserole out of the oven. It was in there between 15 and 20 minutes. All depends on your oven. I did the jiggle test, make sure the eggs were done, and then I let it rest for 5 minutes, and it looks great. Then I'm going to cut just a It's got those layers of cheese and sausage and the croissants. Makes a little crust on the side. It's delicious. It's easy to make. Cheesy. You can taste the crust on the croissants, the sausage. I know you're going to love this recipe, and I hope you try it. It's great for the holidays. That's mostly when we make it, but we make it on Sundays or on Saturdays for breakfast. And usually we'll make some grits or something like that to go with it, but you can put anything, you can add anything, you can add bell peppers, you can add hot sauce to it. It would be great. Go to my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.